Hey, today I'd like to show you why should we use analyzers. Oscilloscopes, for example, are very useful for frequency modeling. You can see in detail what happens with the wave in real time. Also, it's very useful to explore works of other producers. And of course, various analyzers always help sound designers, producers and engineers to get high quality sound. So here we will create some kick sound using the oscilloscope. This oscilloscope I've built recently using Max for Live. I'm really happy with the result and want to show you some features. Using this line strip below the screen, you can zoom in and out. Also, you can use Command and Shift buttons to make zooming easier. This device is synchronized to the tempo. And here you can change scale of the screen refreshing. If the sound is too quiet, you can use vertical zooming. And also you're able to switch between different modes. Also, it's possible to use floating external window. You're able to place it wherever you want and you could save the position. So let's create some weird kick sound and see how oscilloscope works. Also, I have a spectrogram device. Such devices are also very useful in some cases. You can see another representation of the sound. Spectroscopes are useful for work with the space of the track. You can tune your reverb or delay and see what's happening with the signal. And the last one analyzer is Phasescope. I want to notice that all the devices were built only for the visual representation of the sound. And for now they have no any measures. But probably in future versions I will add some numbers and lines. In Phasescope we have standard mode, which means plugin work in classic mode, and the delta mode. The delta mode represents sound separately for left and right channel, and it shows some other sides of the sound. I'm not sure which ones, but some other ones. Thanks for watching and your support. It's a pleasure to know that my videos and devices are useful for you. If so, please share my videos with your friends if you think that they should watch them. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. And don't forget about the ring. Check out my Patreon page to get these devices. Also, soon there will be much more interesting things. So stay tuned and have a good day. Bye.